What's up, everybody? Kings Elite Breaks here. My name is Jason. We're doing for the third time today. Nice. We hit the turkey. We're doing 2017-18 Hit Parade autographed hat trick hockey hobby box series 4 featuring Gretzky, Howard, McDavid. One box break, 2 random teams. Number 23. Jersey, puck, and photo per box. Again, don't really have to go through all this. It's the third time today. You guys know the rules already. So there you go. So yeah, guys. Hopefully we can pull some nice stuff in this box. We got the dice roller here. List of customer names ending with Dube, Last Spot Mojo. Then you got Ducks all the way down to the Jets. So let's roll it. 3 and a 2, so 5 times on the randomizer, the list of names and the teams. Good luck, guys. 5 times. So 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 times, Doobie at the top, Doobie at the bottom. Alright, let's go 5 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 times. Caps at number 1, just like they were this year. And Jets at the bottom. So let's see, Dube with the Caps, Stars, Colin with the Leafs, Dube with the Canadians, Oilers, Islanders, Wild, Last Spot Mojo, Jack with the Avs, Dube you have the Blue Jackets, Preds, Hurricanes, Rangers, Sharks, Senators, Ducks, Sabres, Chris with the Bruins and Blackhawks, Dube you have the Flyers, Coyotes, Vancouver Canucks, Jack with the Blues, Colin you have the Lightning, Chris with the Penguins and Kings, and then Dube you have the Panthers, Devils, Red Wings, Flames, and the Winnipeg Jets. So let's quickly alphabetize this, and I'll give you about less than 30 seconds or so if anybody wants to make any trades. I doubt it, but I'll give you guys some time while I set this up and turn on the extra braking light. Alright, guys. Try window closed. And just in case you missed the randomizing part, guys, watching on YouTube or just getting in here live, list of customer names and the teams are at the bottom right there. And here's the list for this break right here, right now. Dude with the Blue Jackets, Last Spot Mojo, and the Minnesota Wild. And good luck to everybody else in this break. So, lucky box number 79 of 100. Hat Trick Series 4. There it is right there. Good luck, guys. Pull this back. There's always like a little white paper, so I will try to keep the jersey hidden while I try to look for the photo. And the photo is for the San Jose Sharks. New $8 million a year man, Logan Couture. Nice player for the Sharks right there. Nice. First time I see a Sharks hit. It's going to Dube. Really solid player for the Sharks. There you go, Dube. Logan Couture. Now let's look for the puck. And where is the puck? I think it's hiding over here. It is a Finland, Team Finland signed puck. And it is Mikko Koivu. This is the Mikko Koivu that plays for the, that's Mikko Koivu, that's the one that plays for the Wild, right? Nice. Look at that. Last spot mojo for the Wild. Now, some teams that you don't really hardly see coming up in this break. That's awesome. Oh yeah, El Capitan. That's right. That's cool. Little gold ink, Finland. That's awesome. 2 hits that we probably don't hardly ever see. So there you go, guys. All teams might be represented. And it looks like we have an Olaf Kolzig autographed jersey for the Washington Capitals. COA right there. Looks like this one is a little custom. Doesn't look like an official jersey, but still pretty solid. Yeah, it's just a custom jersey. Well, I mean, it's still a real jersey, just custom, not official Reebok. I don't want to open it all up just because it's folded nice right there. But Olaf Kolzig, there you go, man, old school. I mean, actually, it could be real. I mean, I don't think he played in the Reebok era, but there you go, man. Washington Capitals going to Dube. Had 11 spots, had the odds, and there you go, man. Pays off. Kings League breaks, guys. I will post the next one, which will be number 24 in the store if you guys want to get another one going tonight. About 45 minutes till closing. Kings Elite, see ya.